Hi there, this video shows you how to set up and connect Afterpay with your Shopify store. It's a quick way to offer easy payment plans. Guys, let's dive in. Head to afterpay.com and create a merchant account if you don't have one. Make sure your business is in a supported region like the US and meets their sales criteria. Open your Shopify admin dashboard. Scroll down to Settings on the left, then click Payments. Find the Alternative Payment section and click Add Payment Method. Type Afterpay in the search bar and press Enter. Click Afterpay when it pops up. If multiple providers appear, pick the one matching your region, supporting cards like Visa or MasterCard. Hit Install or Activate. Log in with your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key from your Afterpay dashboard. Enter them, click Continue, and approve permissions. Test it by adding a product to your cart and checking out to confirm Afterpay appears as a payment option. Unique tip: add Afterpay's promotional banners to your product pages via Shopify's theme editor. It's a simple copy-paste from their site and builds customer confidence. If things don't work, try these fixes. Check that your store's currency aligns with Afterpay's supported ones if it's not showing in payments. Verify your merchant ID and key for typos if login fails. Ensure your products are within Afterpay's price range, like under $1,000. That's it, guys. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.